Meaning of Grand Rapids.
Grand Rapids.
Grand Rapids.
Grand Rapids.
Grand Rapids. Grand Rapids is a city located in the state of Michigan, United States. Its name is derived from the French phrase Les Grands Rapids, which means the large rapids. This name was given to the city due to the Grand River, which flows through the downtown area and features several sets of rapids. The city is known for its outdoor recreational activities, such as fishing and kayaking, as well as its art and culture scene, including the Grand Rapids Art Museum and the annual Art Prize competition. Overall, Grand Rapids is a vibrant and picturesque city with a rich history and diverse offerings.